We don't do boyfriends. We don't do girlfriends. We do fiancé and fiancée. Husband and wife. Why am I feeling pressure on this matter? So tap your neighbor very well again. I say, are you hearing what we're saying? Reach the person once the service is over. I even give you permission as I'm talking now. I say, as a member of DGC, we don't do boyfriend and girlfriend. So what are we? And it gives you an answer you don't like and you cry and we understand that it is you. We are nothing but pencils in the hands of the Creator. Amen. It's better to know you are a pencil now than waste 3 years to discover that you are an eraser. Amen.